Hassan graduated today with a degree in nursing after 4 years of perseverance. But beyond his determination, the Tulong Dunong Scholarship from CHED also provided him with much-needed support, through which he received 7,500 pesos every semester.
Sobrang laking tulong niya po para sa akin since single mother po yung mom ko. And yung course ko po is sobrang magastos po kasi nag-clinical duty kami. So bali yung stipend po na yun, nagamit ko po siya para po maraos ko po yung mga clinical duty ko po, yung mga return demonstration, tsaka yung mga ibang gastos po throughout my college years.
He was one of the more than 500 graduates at the commencement exercises of the Pamantasan ng Lungsod, Maynila today, led by President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. In his speech, the President urged the graduates to become instruments of positive change and contribute to the society.
May your learning be guided by wisdom, your success measured by the lives that you uplift, and your achievements dedicated to the progress of our nation. Wherever life takes you, remain true to the ideals of this university. Use what you have learned to help build a stronger, more prosperous, and more compassionate Philippines.
He also highlighted government programs aimed at strengthening tertiary education in the country, including the Universal Access to Quality Tertiary Education Program, the expansion of the Free Higher Education Initiative, the Tertiary Education Subsidy, and the Tulong Dunong Program. He also cited the Bagong Pilipinas Merit Scholarship Program and efforts to strengthen technical vocational education and training.
Ito ang tunay na bunga ng edukasyon, mas abot kamay, dekalidad at nagbibigay sa bawat Pilipino ng pagkakataong makamit ang mas magandang kinabukasan.
Meanwhile, PLM conferred upon the President the degree of Doctor of Laws, honoris causa, the university's highest honorary degree. The honor recognizes his efforts to advance economic development, education, healthcare services, and social equity.
I receive this honor with gratitude, mindful of the responsibility that comes with it. This recognition affirms a principle that my administration shares with the PLM, that education must remain a pathway to opportunity, a catalyst for progress, and a cornerstone of nation building.
Kenneth Pasyente for the Nation.